Our home, Australia, a land so vast and free, full of natural wonders and endless places to see. Let's go and explore the rainforest. I wonder what we might find. Tropical rainforest canopies with dense, luscious trees stretching as far as the eye can see. You might be lucky and see a beautiful waterfall and maybe some crystal clear rivers and streams. What sounds do you think you might hear in the rainforest? You might hear trees rustling, some birds chirping, and water running through the streams. The tranquility of the rainforest can be a very relaxing place to be. You may also see some interesting animals and creatures in the rainforest. Let's explore where the rainforest meets the sea. What will we discover beyond our bluest oceans? The purest sandy white beaches and the crystal clear water, home to an abundance of tropical fish, beautiful coral, turtles, and even our greatest predator, the great white shark. We need to protect our reefs and our rainforests so that the animals have a place to call home. We are so very lucky to live in such a beautiful country, our home Australia.